Jinan Metro, also known as Jinan Rail Transit, is a rapid transit system serving Jinan, the capital of Shandong Province, China. Line 1 runs north-south in the western part of the city. The line became operational on April 1, 2019. Line 3 Phase 1 is 21.59 kilometers in length and it is fully underground. The line became operational on 28th of December 2019. Line 2 is 36.39 kilometers in length, including 34.5 kilometers underground section. It is planned to open in late 2020. The rolling stocks are: on the Line 1, 4-car Type B reserved to be 6-car Type B in future. Line 2, 6-car Type B. On Line 3, 6-car Type B. Planning of the system began in the early 2000s, but was delayed due to 2008 world economic crisis. After years of preparation, construction started at an official ceremony on 29th of December 2013. Line 1 has a total of 11 stations and a length of 26.3 kilometers. The first phase of construction was adopted by National Development and Reform Commission and includes 3 lines, lines 1, 2 and 3 with 47 stations. The first phase has a total length of 96.5 kilometers, including 71.2 kilometers of underground section, 23.8 kilometers of elevated section, and 0.5 kilometers of transitional section. The fare system is based on existing smart car technology. Total system length is 47.9 kilometers. Total number of stations is 23.